Understanding Cattle and Livestock, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting topic that often confuses not only English language learners but even native speakers. We're talking about the phrases cattle and livestock. By the end of this video, you'll understand the difference between these two terms, how to use them correctly, and some interesting facts that will enrich your English vocabulary. Let's get started. Cattle refer specifically to a group of large animals that include cows, bulls, and steers. These animals are raised by people for meat, milk, and leather. An important thing to note is that cattle is a collective noun, which means it's used to describe a group of animals and does not have a singular form. The correct way to talk about one animal is to say a cow, a bull, or a steer, depending on the animal's gender and whether it has been neutered. On the other hand, livestock is a broader term. It includes not only cattle but also other farm animals that are raised for consumption, labor, or to produce commodities such as meat, eggs, milk, fur, leather, and wool. This means that pigs, chickens, sheep, goats, and even bees can be considered livestock. Essentially, if an animal is being raised on a farm for agricultural purposes, it's part of the livestock category. Now that we understand what each term means, it's important to highlight the key differences. Remember, cattle is more specific and refers only to certain types of bovine animals. Livestock, however, is an umbrella term that encompasses all domesticated farm animals raised for resources. When talking about animals on a farm, use livestock to refer to the entire collection of animals. If you're specifically talking about cows and their relatives, then cattle is the word to use. To help solidify your understanding, let's look at some examples. The farmer sold his cattle at the market for a good price. Raising livestock is a major source of income for rural families. These sentences show how each term is used in context, highlighting the difference between talking about cows specifically versus talking about farm animals in general. Thank you for joining us in today's lesson on cattle and livestock. We hope this video has clarified these commonly confused terms for you. Understanding these distinctions not only helps in language learning but also enriches your knowledge about agricultural practices and vocabulary. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these words in your own sentences to solidify your understanding. See you in the next video.